Oh yeah, today's job, 95 F150. Good shape. I like this one. Of course, I'll take any job that's very easy. Compressor, condenser will be replaced. Accumulators just right there. And that orifice tube. And that dirty looking one right there. Gotta take that little connection off and get that special tool out and get in there and get it done. This is today's job. $10 in the back of the compressor. 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil. Compressor comes out. 3 minutes. It's way down here. Little mini pliers couldn't get it, so we grabbed the orifice tube tool. This thing works great. Alright, so the new compressor's on. We got the new condenser in there, you can see. Showed you where that orifice tube was. New dryer, accumulator. And we flushed the whole system with a can of that. And this new style I got from O'Reilly's flush gun. This is the greatest thing ever. Yes, compared to just a little handgun. But yes, we are doing vacuum, and we're going to recharge it now.